Great top of the clock. Great top of the clock. SNG gang. This your boy once again, about Chevy Reggie, and I'm back with another video. This one is concerning my box Chevy.
You already know when it's gonna come through to the shit, then it's about to be a slow bitch slow. Yeah, I don't feel dumb.
Alright, man.
Top of the clock. Great top of the clock. SNG gang. This your boy once again, about Chevy Reggie, and I'm back with another video. This one is concerning my box Chevy. Well, this the day. What? This the day. Great Tuesday. The day after Labor Day, and it's a good, beautiful morning. Got a nice overcast. And what I'm gonna be doing on my car today is what am I doing? I'm gonna wash my engine bay out, and then I'm then I'm gonna paint it. And this is gonna be probably the last time I'm gonna probably be on camera as far as having the engine looking this way. So let's check it out real quick, and then I'm gonna also do a video after I paint it, and then I'm gonna start doing the work. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. Oh yeah, and real quick, no, forget that. So yeah. So I'm gonna do the painting around here. I got a shroud, 3-row shroud, radiator cover coming. Like I say, I got my valve cover coming, Holly, with the Chevrolet engraved in. I got my Holly CFM, 750 CFM carburetor on the way. I already have my intake manifold, Holly. I just painted my my thermostat housing. I got that. That's already. I have my new compressor. Got that. Now the thing about it is, I don't know. They not selling the ones with this 3-ribbed joint anymore. So what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to take this off and put it on my new one, and basically interchange that out. This is a new line, AC line that I got. I'm trying to find these right here for a cleaner look, so they can be white. And let me see what else. Oh yeah, I got the new windshield wiper motor, but I think I need another wiring harness. I need another wiring harness for this AC as well. I got a new water pump. I'm gonna get a new timing cover as well. I got one already in my cart. I hadn't ordered it yet. So, making tracks. But yeah, I'm gonna paint all of this. Move these wires out of the way, paint that. I'm fit to go to the auto parts store, buy some degreaser, and damn, my finger was in the way. Buy some degreaser and whatnot. Oh, I have also have a distributor with the wires. I already have those. I gotta get the what is it? The plugs. Yeah, after I do that, I think I'll be on the way. I already have a few cosmetic pieces. Like I have this. I have all my emblems. Got that emblem, the back emblem, the trunk emblem. I have those already, but those will be applied when I when I paint it. I have the side markers as well. I did a video with those as well. So far so good. And then I'm gonna still bringing up bangles and upgrades and everything. The interior is immaculate though, man. I'm telling you, headliner is immaculate. excuse the little mess. But yeah, immaculate. Yeah, so all right, y'all stay tuned, man. I'll be right back at you when I get ready to pressure wash it. Uh, I had to wait till my engine cooled off. But this is the stuff that I got, the engine degreaser. So I'm gonna spray this on just to knock a little of that dirt off and whatnot, and then it says on the back. Well, it told me to wait until the engine cooled off anyway, as directed. And then I'm gonna wait another 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna wash it all off. I'm gonna get up under the bottom as well. I'm gonna spray my valve covers off, even though I'm not gonna have them and keep them on, but I'm still gonna spray it anyway. I'm gonna do a light little spray over, all the little areas, spray it over this part, because I'm definitely gonna, be painting this, because this is gonna be one of my main factors right here in front of the hood. I mean, right up here in front of, when the hood opening. Give me a second. Cut you guys right back on. With the degreaser, as you can see, it's all shiny and whatnot, all greased up. So, like the can said, I'm gonna wait about 15 minutes. I even sprayed up under, down by the oil pan and everything. I even sprayed even inside of the fender wheels. I also haven't taken you guys around my car. I've done a full good walk around. Do a full good 360. As you can see, it's an original Brougham, but I'm gonna take the top off. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the top off. I got plans for my roof and everything. I'm waiting on Sprayway to get back at me, man, so we can do something with this rooftop. But as I'm still right now, I'm still getting my engine and everything together. I was gonna go with a full, not a full. I was gonna do, like I said, a LS. I was gonna LS it, but I chose not to. I was like, I do the LS on my baby bubble over there. Yeah, I'm gonna LS this joint out. Nighttime, you can't really see her. She nice as shit though. I need to wash her up. I got her over there at the car wash. Yeah, I got the car wash right here where I live. So I have my babies out here. Let me crank her up. Yeah, so I got a 5.7 in this one. And that's why I call it the Caprice SS. Let me see. Yeah, I got the AC in here and everything. Oh man, my damn battery finna die. Oh, it is dead. Dang on battery dead. I done let it sit so damn long. This motherfucker done died. Anyway, fuck it. But yeah. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Matter of fact, I just need I need a damn another tire for that one. I did a fuel, changed the fuel pump in that joint, fuel lines. I did a few things with that. But anyway, I ain't even talking about that car right now. So yeah, we on to this one. I'm gonna wait until I get this shit straight, then I'm gonna jump to that one. And also, I gotta do some footage, cause I gotta get my tire replaced for charging. Do that tomorrow. But anyway, gang, I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a second. When I get finished, yeah. I don't want this video to be too long, but anyway, yeah. So let me see. Got about another 5 to 10 minutes for this to do what it's supposed to do, and then I'll be right back at y'all. Give me a second. All right. I know I ain't get any real actual footage of me washing my baby. She washed and dried. I towel blotted this, and of course I ain't really just dried all the way. Only let it do a good air dry overnight. I'm moving the camera too much, I'm gonna slow it down. But I'm gonna let it air dry overnight, and then I'm gonna come out and paint the parts that I want painted in the AM hour. It's out, well, shit, it's already in the AM. It's already 12:05 now. So yeah, that's it. See, clean as she gonna get. Fire on up. I'm with a LED in the tail light. All lights work, brake lights work. What is this? What the fuck is this?
Get ready to press play at Zen in the Park. Google Play is dropping exclusive rewards and VIP experiences for Play Points members. The more you play, the more you win. Get Play Points and limited edition merch. Go get rewarded. Go play. SDA.
Caprice shielded illegal immigrant criminals from deportation. It's